Okay, now it's time to begin burning. Now, one of the things you want to keep in mind is always keep a scrap piece of wood near you. That way, before you put your pen down, I can play around with my dial, adjusting, getting that line that I want. Plus, if I set it down for a few minutes and blow on it, I can put it back on there and try to avoid the black blob as much as I can. So always keep that handy. Right now, I just basically want to trace the outline that I've already put on now, and we'll get started doing that right now. You got to determine the speed in which you want to do this, because you want to get it to where it glides over, not leaving the black line on it. Okay. But decide I want to put a little bit more heat to it. Just go up in small increments